Hey everyone, quick vlog today. Testing the Sigma 56 f1.4 on the Canon R10. Let's see how good this combo really is. This lens is super compact, light, and with the f1.4 you get crazy good background blur. Look at the separation between the subject and the background. And that's the magic of f1.4. Quick pros and cons. For the pros, sharp, light, beautiful bokeh, and fast autofocus. From cons, 56mm is a tight for handheld vlogging, better to taking head portraits. If you don't mind a tight frame, this is one of the best lenses for sharp, cinematic looking vlogs. Overall, the Sigma 56 f1.4 on the Canon R10 is absolutely beast. If you want the sharp video and creamy bokeh, highly recommended it. If you found this quick test helpful, make sure to like and subscribe for more fast gear reviews.
If you like our background music, check the audio. These platforms offer tons of background music and sound effects, perfect for your video. If you are a content creator or filmmakers, check the audio. They have these two cool AI, the Link Match and the Hands AI. Easy to use, and you will get the best music that's perfect for your content. If you want to avail the 70% off, please check the link on the description on this video and use my promo code to avail the 70% off on Audio Pro for 1 year. And if you are searching for a film emulation, check this Dehancer. They have a film emulation set that brings your photo and video film look and nostalgic effects.